Hey, you. Yes, you. The one and only. The lucky. Searching for every glory. The fancy and the lovely. The classy. Once a nobody. But wait for it. Now you see. Always in a hurry, but never worry. Always free. Full of energy and full of harmony. Always silly, funny, or David any. Sometimes crazy, but never maybe. Now, here's a phone not made for many, but for whatever you want to be. Samsung Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus.
The phone that defined big just got bigger. Introducing the new Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Its design has evolved with a bigger infinity display, yet it fits perfectly in your hand. It refines your experience and redefines what you can do with a phone.
Okay, just 1 sec.
721.
S Pen allows you to go further. Write down a memo while you're on a call, so you don't miss a thing.
Is anything else?
Are you getting all this?
Yeah, got it.
The Note 8 has a more advanced camera. It brightens your journey even under low light conditions. And with the new dual camera, not only do you get an outstanding portrait, but it also reveals the hidden story and freely adjusts the background to focus on what really matters. Note 8 also has optical image stabilization on both cameras. Get closer, even on the move. It will keep steady to take a clear photo. And with 2x optical zoom, easily capture the scene without missing a single detail. With the Infinity display, enjoy the full cinematic experience wherever you want. The phone that defined big just got bigger.